Yeah, so it was really important for us today. So I work for the David Shepard Wildlife Foundation, so we're like a small conservation charity across Africa and Asia, and we came today because technology in conservation is hugely important, and it's a growing topic. So it was amazing to come and speak about STEM and actually discover a little bit more about it and how it can be implemented in the kind of the conservation arena.
Yeah, and I think there's some amazing minds in that room, and they're working obviously really hard to engage young people from not just normal backgrounds but different backgrounds. Diversity is really important for STEM, to get different thoughts. So I think it's really important that things like this happen today. It gives everybody opportunities to get involved within STEM, and obviously STEM's going to be hugely important in the future for people like myself, university students, but kids coming through schools at the moment.